Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Life Science. Myself Vinita Tiwari, and in this video I am going to tell you how you can calculate the strength of phytohormones by using simple calculations. Okay, so this video is going to be beneficial for one who is working in plant tissue culture laboratories. So phytohormones are the substances that are usually involved in the development of plants, or I must say in proper regulative development of plants, and therefore it plays a major role in plant tissue culture methodologies. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to tell you is the calculation of strength of phytohormones. You can calculate strength of any phytohormone by using this one formula, and the another thing I'm going to tell you is that how you can calculate the volume that you usually require for a particular ml of media. So before starting, subscribe to my channel. My channel is based entirely on topics regarding life science, so it will be really beneficial for you if you are from life science stream. So now let's get started. Now the first thing is the calculation of strength of phytohormones. So here first you will have to go through a stock solution so that you can avoid repetitive preparations. As you know, we require phytohormones in very minute quantity, and therefore for avoiding that we prepare stock solution. For example, here I am going to prepare 20 mg% of 2,4-D. 20 mg% means 20 milligram of 2,4-D in 100 ml of distilled water. It will give you a 20 mg% stock solution. Now our target is to know the strength of this 20 mg%. Strength of this 20 mg% means what? It means how much concentration of 2,4-D is present in this 20 mg%. Now, as we know the formula of 1 molar or molar is gram molecular weight per liter of solution. Now, it will give you 1 molar is equal to 2 to 1.04 gram in 1000 ml. As you can see, it's the molecular weight in 1 liter of solution. Okay, now you want to know the strength in 20 mg of 100 ml solution. Okay, so what you can do now, you can simply convert it in milligram. For example, 1 millimolar is going to give you 2 to 1.04 milligram in 1000 ml. Okay, 1 millimolar can also give you 2 to 1.104 milligram in 100 ml. Okay, for example, you are having 10 milligram in 1000 ml, means what? You can use 1 milligram in 100 ml. Okay, so it's a simple conversion. 1 millimolar can also be given as 1000 micromolar, which will give you the same quantity, 2 to 1.104 milligram in 1000 ml. Okay, now what you will have to calculate, you can calculate the strength by doing cross multiplication. Okay, cross multiplication means what? You are given 20 mg in 100 ml and 1000 micromolar is given as 2 to 1.104 milligram in 100 ml. By using cross multiplication, you can calculate the strength, and it is about 904.91 micromolar. Okay, so here we are doing a simple cross multiplication like 20 mg and 1000 micromolar multiplication divided by this mg. Okay, as we have to find the strength, consider it as x. Okay, so I hope you understood this. It's a simple calculation that you can employ for any phytohormone by knowing its molecular weight. Okay, the formula for molarity is going to be same everywhere. Okay, in the similar way you can calculate other phytohormone strength. For example, in the table it's given the calculation for various phytohormones as well as their strength in micromolar. In this phytohormones calculation, you will see units in micromolar, in microgram, as well as microliter. Okay, so here you can see we have multiplied it by 20. 20 means what? We are as we have prepared 20 mg% stock, therefore we are multiplying it by 20. If you have prepared 30 mg%, then you can use 30. Okay, and we have divided it by its molecular weight that we have converted in milligram, and you will get its strength. Okay, so it's simple calculation that you can follow for oxygen as well as cytokinins. Now the question arises, the required hormone you want from the stock solution. For example, you are asked to prepare about 10 micromolar of indole acetic solution for callus culture. Then how much ml you are going to take from this 20 mg % stock of indole acetic acid for having this much concentration. Okay, so this is what is asked in the question, that for particular micromolar of phytohormone, how much you are going to take from the stock solution. Okay, so that's why we always prepare stock, so that we can easily do additions in a very simpler way by using a simple formula. So the formula is required volume is equal to the required concentration in micromolar that you are asked, multiplied by volume of media divided by its strength. Okay. For example, you are asked to prepare 12 micromolar of 2,4-D for 20 ml MS media for the purpose of callus culture. By putting it in the formula, you can get 12 micromolar multiplied by 20 ml divided by the strength that we already know, it's 904.81. It will give you 0.265 ml, which you can also calculate it by multiplying it in 1000 by 1000 to get in microliter. Okay. The main thing for calculation is the strength of phytohormone. Okay, if you know the phytohormone's strength, then you can easily go through these calculations. Okay, so I hope you understood it well, and if you still have any kind of doubt, you can add into comment section, and if you understood it well, please like and share. Thank you so much.